Folks, Timothy Thomas here. In this video, we're going to talk about the Cash Cow postcard. Folks, can you mail this postcard? If you said yes, you can mail that postcard right here. Folks, you can have multiple $100 days. We're going to show you how on the other side. Hey folks, Timothy Thomas here. Folks, pause the video, smash the like button, smash that like button, hit the notification bell so when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. And are you subscribed to this channel? Let me tell you what, folks, I'm telling you, these programs, we are getting ready to go for a ride. And I want you to come along and part with us, get the products, the service, the value in these Can you mail a postcard, guys, gals? I'm going to show you what came in some of these envelopes. Again, I'm not going to do a proof video every day because we don't want to come off as being braggadocious, but just to press upon you what's possible. And these programs, every one of them are absolutely working. And on the next few days video, guys, the wealth step-by-step, Greg told me that we have put something else on the menu. We've added to a, let me see exactly what Greg said that we did. And I'm going to do a whole video around what Greg said. Let me go down here. Greg said that we put a subscribe form. A subscribe form is a pop-up so that members, even non-members, can be informed of the things that we're doing with Web step by step. But we'll talk about that in detail on another video. Guys, let me tell you what. This Cash Cow program is just exploding. And this is a nice, good little program that people can get involved with to receive $100 payments. And then start receiving $100 overrides in position number 2. Let's say you go recruit 5, 10 people. Guys, this program can run the next 15 years. And I'm talking about you build yourself with 50 people mailing this postcard. These programs, guys, can run for a long time. And all you do is get people started into the postcards. And every time they bring in a sale, you're going to get a $100 override. I'm going to show you how that works on the other side. The Cash Cow product or business continues to make more money. The more time you put into it, the more you mail. Guys, I've got a box of 5,000 of these postcards. And I'm dropping about 300 a week into the mailbox. About 300 a week. Beautiful postcard. I mean, they will drop them to your house on your porch. And all you do is put a name label on them and a postcard stamp. And you mail over and over and over again till somebody joins. Period. You don't have to look at a stock chart. Folks, do you want something easier than Forex, stock trading, watching the stock market? I don't care what it does in the morning, whether it goes up, down, sideways. We've got consistent money coming in through these programs by selling the product and the service. Folks, can you imagine opening thousands of envelopes with $100 inside? What could you do to make $1,000, $10,000? The cost is moderate, but the pay is big. No computer is required. No special skills. Folks, we may have time to listen to this message. I'm going to show you what came in just a minute. Let's go back over here. This is how it works, folks. This is the compensation plan. When you join, your name's going to go in number 2. When you get a sign up, you're going to, number 1. When you get a sign up, you're going to move to number 2. Let's say you're in number 2 on about 15 people's postcards. Folks, every time that they make a sale, you're going to get a $100 override. That is incredible to me. This is what I'm talking about, being able to receive residual income that could last for years. Now look at this, guys. Due to the high response rate, don't be surprised, get several more responses than projected. Folks, to get started, it's only $300 to get started. You get 3 money orders payable to the person in 1, the person in number 2, and to the company. And then you're going to mail them all to the company. All right. After you make all 3 payments, this is your product package. This is what you're going to receive. Your product package containing 100 full color postcards, 64 ways to increase mail order profits, and the mail ordering, postcard ordering form to order more postcards and or leads. Folks, this thing is incredible. I'm excited about it. Let me show you what just came in the mail, and we'll go from there. And we'll talk about one more postcard before we get off. This is from WTM Publications, Tim Thomas. You guys seen this done before? Let's get into it. Join this cash cow, guys. I want all of you watching this video to get involved with it. Here we go. There's another money order. $100 that just came in for the cash cow. Guys, I tell you what, could not be more excited about this program. You got to make sure that we get signed up. Let me show you another one, guys, that you need to be involved with also. This right here, this is called the 25K Madness. It's only $100 to get involved with this program. Guys, it's a little $25 program, guys. Anybody could pay for this. $25 program. I mean, it's a $25 on, you get paid on 3 levels. It's only $100 to get involved with it. Guys, this is incredible stuff here. If you want a copy of any of these postcards, I can email you the PDF. All you do is print it off and mail it in. You don't have to wait for me to mail you the postcard. I get too many requests for people who want me to mail the postcard. Let me email it to you. You print it off on your printer, and all you do is mail it in. I'll put my email address below the video, guys. We want to help you win. If you help enough people get what they want in life, you can get everything that you want. This is position 1, 2, and 3. Guys, I'm telling you, the leverage on here, up to $27,000, is staggering. And I've been receiving payment over and over again on this program. The payments add up fast, folks. 1,000, 10,000, 25,000. What's your goal? And it has products to go along with it. Real quick, guys, let's go back to Cash Cow. Well, before we do that, guys, when you get a chance, I'm not going to listen to the recording. I was going to listen to the recording. I'm going to show you some more proof on some stamp programs that we're involved in. It's a $50 cash blaster. Great little program. When you get a chance, guys, listen to this recording. 641-715-3900. That's the extension number. 24/7 meshes, guys. It will get you excited about what we've got going on. I'm telling you what, great things are happening, and I want you to come along with us for the ride. Thank those of you that joined us for last night's conference call. That thing was absolutely amazing. Prosperity People System, guys. Ed spoke. I spoke. Of course, Dave offered some great information. Prosperity People System, guys. Multiple streams of income. That's where you want to be. You want to offer it to people, and you do it over and over again. Let them make an informed decision. They will partner. Don't twist their arms. Don't you beg them to join you. If they decide to join, if it makes sense, they will partner with you. Folks, there are millions of people in this world. You never have to beg anybody to do anything. Just put it in front of them, let them make the decision, and that'd be the end of it. This is exciting, folks. Okay, we had some stamps come in. Guys, you know we were running the stamp program. Let's go over here. We'll talk about these stamp programs. Look at this, folks. This is more stamps. I'm telling you what, guys, if you're not in a stamp program where people send you postage, you want to get involved. And then you can start doing postage, you know, doing the people. There you're looking at 60 stamps right there. Watch this, guys. It gets better. Timothy Thomas, welcome. Let us welcome David to the program. Let's look at this, folks. This is absolutely incredible. We've got what we call the Millionaire Pro Stamp Club 100. Now look at this, guys. David joined, and he sent in to join. There you go. You're looking at, he sent in 120 stamps. We only required to send in, you're only required to send in just 100. He sent in 20 as a bonus just because he's excited, ready to join. Folks, let me tell you what. People will join these programs when you put them in front of enough people. Look at this here, guys. Here are the programs. Here's the stamp. If you need this thing, I'll put the link below the video. Print it out. Print this thing out, and you mail it in. You send the stamps in, guys, to the positions below, and you start mailing that flyer, and you do it over and over and over and over again, and people will get the product. The company will mail them their product package, their welcome report, People will get the value from the company, and then you show them a way that they can mail letters cheaper. They will love you for it, folks. We've got the postcard stamp program. Look at this here, folks. If you are postcard enthusiasts, you can get 100 postcard stamps with this thing. I am going to also build a postcard stamp program that you can mail just a postcard to get the stamps. That's going to be incredible also. Let's go over to the last little thing I want to show you, then I'm going to be off the video. My favorite. Red hot leads here, folks. You know, my favorite, Wilson's List, guys. Look at the testimonials when you get a chance, and we'll go from there. Guys, get some of these stamp programs. I highly recommend this Cash Cow and the 25K Madness. 50 Cash Blaster is a great program. And let's start mailing. Folks, it's go time. The work at home boom begins here pretty shortly. But we are already seeing record numbers. And I'm telling you what, folks, from August, September, October, November, December are the biggest times for work at home. I mean, it's good all year long, don't get me wrong. But it seems like the results triple and quadruple over the next few months. All right, guys, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Bye for now. And I'll see you at the top on the next video.